Right, we're gonna see what happens if you stick this marshmallow into the microwave. It's kind of stale. Alright. 15. No, cancel. 15. Hang on, I'm gonna get a stool. I said it's a 5! Let's see what happens. No. Stop. What's it doing? Whoa, okay, I gotta stop it now. What happened to it? What is it? That's not hot. What'd you do to it? It's all mushy.
Can I see?
My marshmallow. Oh, my marshmallow.
Still filming it?
Yeah, it's marshmallow. Great night vision.
There you go. Now it's not so hard.
Wow, it's shriveled and it's gonna be hot inside, squishy. You know, you're burning.
Alright.
Alright.
More people.
Hey, get into a marshmallow!